Types of shots. Cinematic shots are defined by the amount of subject matter within the frame. Shots can vary in duration. Establishing shot or extreme long shot. Shot taken from a great distance, almost always an exterior shot, shows much of locale. It's called ELS. Long shot. A shot taken from a sufficient distance to slow a landscape, a building, or a large crowd. Medium shot. A shot between a long shot and close up that might show two people in full figure or several people from the waist up. Close up. A shot of a small object or face that fills the screen. Adds importance to object photographed. Extreme close up. A shot of a small object or part of a face that fills the screen. Over the shoulder shot. Usually contains two figures, one with his or her back to the camera and the other facing the camera. Types of angles. The angle is determined by where the camera is placed, not the subject matter. Angles can angles can serve as commentary on the subject matter. Bird's eye view. Camera is placed directly overhead. Extremely disorientating. Viewer is godlike. High angle. Camera looks down at what is being photographed. Takes away power of subject, makes it insignificant. Gives a general overview. Low angle. Camera is located below subject matter. Increases height and power of subject. Oblique angle. Literal lead of the camera so that figures appear to be fallen out of the frame. Suggests tension and transition. Sometimes used as the point of view of a drunk. Point of view. A shot taken from the vantage point a particular character or what a character sees. Eye level. Roughly 5 to 6 feet off the ground, the way an actual observer might view a scene. Most common. Camera movement. Pen. The camera moves horizontally on a fixed base. Tilt. The camera points up or down from a fixed base. Tracking dolly shot. The camera moves through space on a wheeled truck or dolly, but stays in the same plane. Boom. The camera moves up or down through space. Zoom. Not a camera movement, but a shift in the focal length of the camera lens to give the impression that the camera is getting closer to or farther from an object. Getting from scene to scene. Cut. Transition between scenes when one scene ends and another one begins. Most common. Dissolve. A gradual transition in which the end of the scene is superimposed over the beginning of a new one. Fade out, fade in. A scene gradually goes dark or a new gradually emerges from darkness. Wipe. An optical effect in which one shot appears to push the preceding one from the screen. Iris. An optical effect in which one shot appears to emerge from a shape on the screen.